Hi and welcome to Traffic Ivy. In this short video, I'm going to show you around your new members dashboard, the basics that you need to know to get started, and how to use those traffic points that you've just purchased to make sure that you can get traffic to your website really quick and really easily. So first thing that you might notice is your dashboard looks a little bit different to mine. You might happen to see a big banner across here, and if you do, then awesome. Go and follow those steps and you'll be rewarded with extra traffic points, and you'll also get to have a bit of a walkthrough of how the system is working, where everything is, and get your site pretty much up and running fast. In the dashboard area, you'll see that you've got access to all the information that you need at your fingertips. You'll be able to see your membership level, your community rating, and your most popular campaign. Our community rating is, as it suggests, rated by the community. When you share content, people will have an opportunity after you've sent your shares to rate the quality of your traffic, and you'll have the chance to do the same. Now, the higher your community rating, the higher and the more points that you will be earning when you make your shares. Make sure that the assets that you're adding, your social media accounts, your blogs, whatever it is that you're adding, is really good quality sites. That way you'll be assured of having a really high community rating and getting more traffic points when you're sharing. Over here you'll see the Traffic Ivy points, and this is how many points you have available in the system. The community statistics are updated and live. So as you see down here, the numbers that you'll see are going to be varying greatly. So come back here, have a look, and you can see just where the community is sitting, how many social accounts you can actually share your content on, and where the points are going. If you're in a hurry and you just want to get traffic, the first thing you need to do then is go over to My Traffic Campaigns and create a campaign. There are some training materials on how to create campaigns and how to create really effective campaigns over there as well. If you find you're running out of points, you can always get some more by going over to My Assets, adding your social media accounts and your blogs, and then once you've done that, go to Marketplace and you'll be able to search through and find some articles and some content that people are asking to share on your websites. And when you do that, you'll get rewarded. So there you go, you know your way around Traffic Ivy. Go ahead and follow the step-by-step instructions to get a bit more of an in-depth view of everything that you will have seen over here. And then go ahead, create your first My Traffic campaign, add some more assets if you run out of points, and then go over to the Marketplace and earn more points that you can then spend on more traffic. If you get stuck at any time, don't forget you can come and visit us at the support desk. We've got a lot of knowledge-based articles, some extra training materials, and if you're completely stuck, contact our friendly team and we'll be able to help you out. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
So, Traffic Ivy, how does it work? It's actually really easy. You simply log into your dashboard, click on Create New Campaign, and add some content that you'd like shared on people's blogs, social media sites, and YouTube channels. Now remember, you want this content to be good. People will be sharing this on their Facebook walls, their Twitter accounts, and their blogs. So make it something that you would be happy to share yourself. Now the campaign creation happens in 3 stages. The first step is you name it. You add the description, you choose your category, and you add an image. Now this information is what will be displayed to our members in the Marketplace. So keep the image related to what you're posting about and your description and title useful to people searching for things to share. Once you've done that, you'll create the actual sharing content. So choose what kind of campaign that you're making. Do you want to have an article posted on blogs for backlinks and authority exposure? Or do you want to start a viral social media campaign and have people sharing your content on Facebook and Twitter? And once you've chosen that, you'll be asked to add the information that you want people to actually share. Keep it relevant to the category that you've chosen. Again, make it something that you would be happy to share yourself. The better the post, the more likely people are going to be to choose your content to share. Now, once you've added your content, step 3 is to choose how much traffic you want to send. You're able to select how many points you're happy to give away to each person who shares, and then set a total campaign budget, which will be the maximum amount of points that you spend. The number of points that you spend is completely up to you. So if you're not sure how many to offer, go and have a look in the marketplace to see what other people are offering, and then use that as a little bit of a guide for yourself. Once you've set that up, your campaign is done and will be displayed in the marketplace for other people to find and share and send you traffic. So what happens if you run out of points? Well, you can actually just get some more. You can earn points by connecting your own blogs and social media accounts, or by performing occasional fun tasks that we surprise you with in the dashboard. Go to My Assets in the menu, add your account, and then go to Marketplace and start sharing some content. You'll be able to earn points, and then you can use them on your own traffic later. So that's campaigns explained. If you have any more questions, don't forget you can always check the support link in your dashboard. You'll see an entire database of training, and if all else fails, our friendly support team are there to help you. Thanks again for being an amazing part of the Traffic Ivy community. And now go ahead and make yourself an awesome campaign.